Benvenuti a tutti. Welcome to another episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo. I'm so happy to have you here with us tonight. Tonight I'm going to make a very simple dish. Simplicity is key. What we're going to have tonight is Orecchiette Barese, this time with spinach. You're probably used to seeing Orecchiette Barese with broccoli rabe, but a lot of people don't like broccoli rabe. I love broccoli rabe now, but as a child I didn't like it. It's an acquired taste. So we have as our ingredients chopped spinach with garlic sauteed. We have uncased hot and sweet Italian sausage. We have habanero pepper and garlic. We have locatelli cheese. We have a half cup of white wine. We have this little ingredient here called vino and spuntino. And if you look here, that's a rice ball. I'm gonna be teaching you how to make that. Mama taught me how to make those when I was a child. And we have our homemade, handmade Orecchiette Barese. Now the key to an Orecchiette Barese, you look at it, you're gonna see that on the bottom, it's really scratched. That's it, one of the techniques I will show you soon, how to make them. But that's what absorbs the sauce. And in the cup part here, that's where the sausage and the spinach gets trapped. And every mouthful is a delicious bite of flavor. So let's get going. What I'm gonna do first is I've got the water boiling. Now, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put some olive oil in Mama's 56-year-old pan. Okay, this is my heirloom pan. Gonna heat it up. Wait till that gets nice and hot. The water, the pre-salted water, is already boiling. We're waiting for it to come to a full fervent boil. And now we're gonna start to first work on our garlic. Thin slivers like this. I personally like it that way because I love the taste of garlic. Habanero, extremely hot pepper. You don't have to use this, okay? This is the hottest edible pepper on the face of the earth. Okay, I happen to love my food extremely spicy, so I'm gonna use a half of a habanero pepper. I chop it up really fine like that. Okay, that's gonna go in with the garlic. We'll save that other half. So we're gonna jump right away in with the garlic and the habanero. We don't want to burn the garlic or the habanero. So with that, we jump right away in with our uncased, sweet, and hot Italian sausage. Now, the key with the sausage is you want to keep it moving all the time. Break it up into that pan. So we're going to take our good old Italian spoon. You don't know, can you imagine how many of these were broken on my backside when I was a child? Because I was such a bad boy. And this was the weapon of use for Italian parents to keep their children in line. Me, my brother, and sister got plenty of this. Now you can hear this. This is like a movie. Listen to that beautiful sound. That sizzle. That sizzle is like an opera. It's like Pavarotti singing to you, or Andrea Bocelli. It's the most beautiful sound there is. I wish there was smell-o-vision here so you could smell this. It's fantastic. Just keep breaking it up. The key is to keep breaking up that sausage. Time to bring in our beautiful white wine. Guys, the aroma in this house right now is out of this world. Water's boiling vigorously. Here are the orecchiette. I'm gonna put them in. Grab a handful at a time. Now, keep in mind the orecchiette is a thick pasta, so it's gonna need a longer cook time. Even though it's fresh pasta, move it around. As soon as you put it in, start stirring it, okay? This is about 3/4 of a pound of Orecchiette Barese. We're ready on the pasta. Here we go. I'm gonna take it out. Try to get the water out of it as much as you can. Place it into the mixture, into the sausage, habanero pepper, and spinach. Okay, we're ready to start plating. Oh my God, look at this, folks. I'm gonna put a little locatelli on here. Okay? And then you always wanna bless your food with some beautiful, uncooked, fresh, extra virgin olive oil, just like that. Taste this with Frank Gallo. We did it again. Guys, we did it again. Look at this piece right here. Orecchiette Barese, it catches all the food in it. Grab some spinach. Oh my God. I want to thank you so very much for joining me on tonight's episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo, Orecchiette Barese, spinach and sausage. And most importantly, I love you, Mama.